Hi guys, if you want to buy the Optoma UHZ58LV 3000 lumen 4K UHD portable dual laser projector in black, please use the link in the description below. A great home theater is about more than screen size. It's about immersion, clarity, color, and reliability. That's where the Optoma UHZ58LV steps in. Instead of filling your room with an oversized television, this projector creates a huge cinematic image while delivering premium 4K quality designed for movies, sports, gaming, and streaming. The first impression is excellent. Its sleek black finish looks modern and professional, fitting naturally into a living room, media room, or dedicated theater. Despite its powerful hardware, it's still practical enough to move whenever you want a giant screen in another space. Image quality is the real highlight. True 4K UHD resolution produces incredibly sharp visuals packed with fine detail. Landscapes look lifelike, facial details appear natural, and fast-moving scenes stay clean and engaging. Whether you're watching blockbuster films or the latest streaming series, everything feels more immersive. The dual laser light source is another major advantage. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, laser technology offers outstanding longevity, stable brightness, and consistent colors over years of use. That means less maintenance and more time enjoying your favorite entertainment. With 3000 lumens of brightness, the projector performs well even when the room isn't completely dark. Evening movie nights look fantastic, while daytime viewing remains enjoyable with controlled lighting. HDR support improves contrast, making bright highlights sparkle while preserving detail in darker scenes. Gaming is equally impressive. Connect a PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, or gaming PC and enjoy massive screen action with crisp visuals and responsive performance. Racing games feel faster, adventures become more immersive, and multiplayer sessions are even more exciting. Setup is refreshingly simple. Keystone correction and flexible installation options make positioning easier, helping you achieve a perfectly aligned picture without frustration. Multiple HDMI inputs let you connect streaming devices, Blu-ray players, consoles, and laptops with ease. Another pleasant surprise is the quiet operation. Fan noise stays low enough that dialogue, music, and cinematic soundtracks remain the focus instead of distracting background noise. Although this is a premium projector with a premium price, it delivers premium performance in return. Pairing it with a quality projection screen unlocks the best contrast, color, and overall viewing experience. If you're building a serious home theater or simply want a huge 4K display without buying an enormous television, the Optoma UHZ58LV deserves a place on your shortlist. It combines excellent brightness, stunning 4K detail, dependable dual laser technology, vibrant HDR performance, and versatile connectivity into one impressive package. Whether you're upgrading from an older projector or creating your very first cinema room, this model offers a balanced mix of premium features, long-term value, and impressive everyday performance that you'll appreciate every time you press play. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and leave a comment telling us which projector you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to use the purchase link in the description if you decide the Optoma UHZ58LV is the right projector for you.